Guys, I own an Oculus Go, an Oculus Quest, and a Quest 2, and I love all of them. The Quest 2 has a major problem. It fogs up like there's no tomorrow. I tried everything because I sweat like a pig. I just worked out for an hour, and I'm telling you, I'm drenched right now. But I didn't fog up today, and I want to share the secret with you. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, and what they are is anti-fog wipes. There's 4 or 5 different brands. Basically, they're all the same. They put a small coating on top of the lenses, and so when there's moisture, when there's heat, when your face is warming up because you're boxing or you're playing the saber, okay, it doesn't fog at all. Quest 2 is worse than the Quest, and I sweat like a pig in that. But all I did was I take one of these wipes, and what you do is you clean these lenses. You just go over the lenses. You can't even tell. It's like a cleaning wipe, but it has an anti-fog on it. And again, it's a coating that goes over the lenses. And now, when I'm boxing, when I'm sweating, when I'm really, really hot, and I'm dripping wet, there's no fog. None whatsoever. Same principle of what Rain-X is to your car windshield, except for this is specifically made for your glasses or for lenses on the Quest Go, and the Quest 2. Guys, you got to try this again. There's about 4 or 5 different brands. Again, they're all made similarly. It's not going to wreck these. They tell you right up front. The manufacturer right up front says, hey, we've tested it on every type of glass, even VR, no problems. The only problem you're going to have is, here's the thing, you're going to be boxing for a long time. I can't tell you how many times I have to take this off, and I got to wipe my forehead, then I have to clean the lenses, and I got to put it back on, then I got to start, and I do this 5 or 10 times in 2 hours, okay? I didn't have to do it one time today, and now I'm worn out. If you would like to get some, I'm going to put a link in the description, and again, this is what it's going to look like, all the different brands, but it's basically a pair of glasses. One's fogged, one isn't, and I tell you what, I've never been so happy, because I've watched probably 40 videos on all these different things that you can put on it, and sweat rags and this and that, and this works. This one little thing. And how long does it work for? It works for about 10 different sessions, and then you have to apply the coating again. But by that time you're ready to, because I want my lenses really clean so I can boom, box, baby. Hey, I hope this helped you out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this.